Welcome to Fort Logan North Gate. This is our grades 3 through 8 school. This is our second largest school building, and it was built in 2015. At that time, LED was becoming very popular, but it wasn't affordable yet, so we had very few LED lights here in the building. It's a project that we've always wanted to do, but didn't really have the resources to be able to do it, thinking that it was going to be out of our reach cost-wise. We kind of always have this question of, what is it really going to cost, and are we really going to have any savings? So we had received a few estimates, and EOS had blown everyone out of the water because they manufacture the bulbs. They manufacture everything that they're going to install. So we didn't have that middleman cost. And our payoff is like 2.6 years, 2.5 years. So for us to do this district-wide in all of our buildings, it was a no-brainer. Shared it with the superintendent, shared it with our CFO, and within the first 5 minutes, everyone was sold, and we're super excited to see what the savings are.